That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Romance.
Action!
Drama.
Comedy!
Everest Smart TV.
Han, anong ever best TV show mo in the world?
Kahit ano, basta we watch it together.
Everest Smart TV. Building healthy relationships. Everbest from Everest.
Santon Plus Gold.
Nga pala, may nabuhan ako ng bukol sa aking suso. Subukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Giga Manikan po, bilang isang broadcast journalist, nakasanayan ko maging mapanuri. Kahit na sa food supplement ko, bilib ako sa MX3 dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Bukod dyan, cholesterol and fat-free. That goes well with my healthy diet and workout. May seal of quality excellence at gawa sa ISO at GMP certified na planta. MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Joel Gorospe at Darlene Olanyo.